Come on, everybody, let's do farm chores. And look at that! The hydrant's working again. For those of you that didn't know, our hydrant was frozen underground. It rained so much here last night, and look at our pasture. It's flooded. Can you tell that she's pregnant? Come on, let's go feed the pigs and donkeys. Are you guys starving? It's a very chilly one here in Michigan today. Till I didn't look at the weather. Alright, come on, let's go feed the donkeys and the chickens. Let's get them hay. Well, watch out. No, 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 no! The donkey just tried to eat my phone. We better get out of here. Time to go do the chickens. Whoa. Okay, let's do those chickens. Oh my gosh. Stampede! That's all for Farm Chores today. Thanks for coming along.